Okay, good morning, Professor David J. De Los Reyes. Okay, my topic for this morning will be, it's July 19 already. My topic for this morning will be lesson number, this is college algebra, lesson number 15. Okay, it's lesson number 15. Uh, this is a long video format. The title of the topic is still a system of linear equations and two variables. For this morning, I will be presenting the so-called graphical solution. The graphical solution is just so-called a confirmation of the solution by using elimination or a solution by substitution. Okay, but the two most important method of solution for a system of linear equations in two variables will be by elimination and by substitution. And actually, the graphical solution is just a confirmation of the two solutions. Uh, we do not encourage the solution, graphical solution, because if the solution to the problem is not exact, it's hard to visualize on the Cartesian coordinate system. But if it is exact, we could visualize it. So for tonight, I will be presenting a graphical solution for a system of linear equations involving two variables. Okay. We know for a fact that a system of linear equations are actually linear equations, meaning the two given equations are actually straight lines. Like for this example here, this is the first straight line and this is the second straight line. Actually, the problem is asking what will be the point of intersection. The point of intersection is actually the solution of the two linear equations. First one, second one, there is an intersection, right? So the point of intersection is actually the solution. And here we could visualize that the solution to the given example is actually 1 in 1. But we could verify this 1 in 1. If we try to visualize the Cartesian coordinate system, it seems this is under, this point here is at the abscissa 1 and ordinate 1. So the point of intersection is actually at 1 in 1. But later on, if we try to solve for the solution of this by using the solution elimination and substitution, actually what will come out will be x equal to 1, y equal to 1, and x equal to 1, y equal to 1 by using the substitution. Okay, let's try to proceed with the solution by using the graphical solution. Okay, I will try to read the problem. Find the value of x and y using graphical solution. Okay, and we are given the two linear equations. Linear, this is synonymous to line. So linear is line. They are straight lines. Okay, so this linear here refers to, or this is synonymous to line, right? The first straight line is actually minus 2x plus 3y equal to 1. And the second straight line is minus 4x plus y equal to minus 3. So this will be equation number 1. Sorry for that one. This will be equation number 1 and this will be equation number 2. The problem is asking for the solution of equation number 1 and number 2, and they are both linear, they are both straight line. So actually what is being asked is the point of intersection. Okay, let's try to bring out the graphical solution. To bring out the graphical solution, we will plot the straight lines. Okay, so point plotting. I will consider for the meantime equation number 1. Minus 2x plus 3y equal to 1. To plot a straight line, this will be x, this is y, right? To plot a straight line, we will just determine this point here and this point and we try to connect the 2 points, so we'll get line number 1. This is the so-called intercept form. If we know the y-intercept and the x-intercept, okay, just connect the 2 points and we could bring out the graph of the straight line. So for the first equation, minus 2x plus 3y equal to 1. If I will place x to be equal to 0 to this equation here, okay, y will be 1/3. Because if this is 0, 3y will be equal to 1, so y will be 1/3. So meaning to say, the first equation, when x is equal to 0, right? For the first equation, the y-intercept is actually at the location 0 and 1/3. So this is 0 and 1/3. This one here. The first straight line crosses the y-axis at the location 0 and 1/3. So because at this location here, x is 0 and the height or the ordinate is 1/3. So the first straight line crosses the y-axis at the location 0 and 1/3. So this is actually the first intercept. That's it. And when we will reverse the operation, if we put y equal to 0, x will be equal to negative 1/2. Okay? If this will be 0, this one here, this one. Negative 2x will be equal to 1, and x will be equal to negative 1/2. And the meaning of this is actually the y-intercept. Sorry for that one. When x is 0, this should be y-intercept, guys. Y-intercept. Y-intercept. This next one will be x-intercept. So this will be y-intercept. And this is x-intercept. Sorry for that one. So when we reverse the operation, when y is equal to 0, okay, the value of x is negative 1/2. It is to the left of the y-axis. This is negative 1/2. So the coordinates of this one will be negative 1/2 and 0. So the first straight line crosses the x-intercept at the location minus 1/2 and 0. Okay? So if we now try to connect this point here and this is the first straight line, and the equation of this one is actually minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. It is this. Okay? The graph should be accurate, okay? Let's go with the next equation. The next equation is minus 4x plus y equal to negative 3. If we put x to be equal to 0 to this equation here, y will be negative 3. So the y-intercept is at the location 0 and negative 3. The second straight line crosses the y-axis at the location 0 and negative 3. It is this one here. This is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So when x is 0, y is negative 3. It is below the x-axis. So the coordinate of this point here is 0, negative 3. And that is actually the y-intercept of the second straight line. And when we reverse the operation, if we put y to be equal to 0, x will be equal to 3/4. When y is 0, x will be negative 3 over negative 4, or that will be 3/4. Okay? So the location of the y-intercept will be, or x-intercept rather, will be at the location 3/4 and 0. So if this is 1, 3/4 will be something like here. So the second straight line crosses the x-intercept or the x-axis at the location 3/4 and 0. So if we now try to connect the 2 points here, it will be this. Right? So actually, the equation of the second straight line is actually minus 4x plus y equal to negative 3. It is this. If we try to visualize the two straight lines, they actually intersect each other. And the point of intersection is actually at this location here. And it is almost at the location 1 and 1. So actually, this is the solution of the problem. X will be equal to 1, y will be equal to 1. The point of intersection of the two straight lines represent the solution of the two linear equations. Okay, how do we know that the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1? It is almost. Because at this location here, x will almost equal to 1 and y is almost equal to 1. If we try to plot this one in a graphing paper, okay, we could actually visualize that the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Even here, it is almost, we could actually visualize that its solution is actually at 1 and 1. And to check the validity of the graphical solution, if we try to solve equation number 1 and number 2 by using elimination, what will come out will be x equal to 1. I will not present it for tonight, but the last time around, I have presented the solution by elimination, and the value of y is equal to 1. And by using substitution, okay, still, x will be equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Okay, so the topic for this morning is actually the graphical solution. We don't recommend the graphical solution because if the values of x and y are not accurate enough to be seen on the Cartesian coordinate system, okay, we could not actually visualize the correct answer. And actually to confirm the validity of our answer is just actually by solving it by elimination and by substitution. But at least we could visualize that the solution for this given example is actually 1 and 1. And this was confirmed if we try to use the solution elimination, x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. And by substitution, still x equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So that's the main topic for this morning. The solution of two linear equations by using the graphical solution. Okay, you must know how to graph two linear equations. This is the first straight line, this is the second straight line, and the point of intersection is actually the solution. Okay, that's it, guys. So for those of you who are taking up college algebra, this is for you guys. If you want to subscribe to my channel is at youtube.com/@ProofTVJ. If you want to share it, please click share. Good morning from Los Angeles.